That's your baby. That's your baby. Smell her butt again. Remember when you smelled her butt and she smelled familiar from her butt? Remember her butt? No. That's your baby. You're just little. Okay, Mama. Tango. That's your baby. That's your baby. Trying to sniff your butt? Remember this? Sniff her butt. Now that bunny out there is not your baby. You remember that. You've got a dozen of those inside you again. Huh? Oh, we don't need to growl at our baby. Tango, come here, do you want breakfast? Psst, come here. Come here. You little snack. That's a good one. Mommy's grumpy. We have another sleepover with Tango. She's very adorable. Loves to snuggle. Loves to make biscuits. If anyone is interested in adopting this little treasure, you can fill out an application at tinykittens.com/adopt. Maybe I should put that on. Wait. Where you going, Mama? Where you going? That was a big jump. Sure, Tango. You want some more food? You got? This is definitely a different reaction than Calypso would have if Bunny was in here, for example. If Bunny was in here, it would be a Yeti Calypso situation. He's just giving Tango some mild growls. I wonder, I may try to leave Tango in here for a little bit, as long as it doesn't stress Mom out. She's pretty calm over there. She's just chilling, doing slow blinks in between her little growly posturing. I don't think Tango will be successful in attempting to nurse, that's for sure. You're so silly. Tango gonna get right back in it. I'm gonna make a sign, make a wake word for Tango. Get out. Maybe she uses the milkbar. Her smell will be. Okay. Oops. I can't write anymore. Good thing whiteboards that you erase. Hi, Kittens Tango. Hi, you're so cute. So cute. Okay. All right. Little Tango. Come here. Come here. Little Tango. There you go. here. Oh, wait, the door. Oh. Okay. Too slow. Come over here. Oh. All right, carry on. I'll be observing closely. Let's make sure that this works out okay. Do a wider angle on the room. Mama's playing with a hinge, a door hinge. Oh, a nose kiss. Oh, and a hiss. Well, I think that's progress. She's gonna smell funny. She smells like my cat. And let's see what happens if she goes near the nest. It's okay, Mama. It's okay, Mama. That's your baby. That's your baby. You remember your baby. Does anyone want to play? Hmm? Okay. Mama, it's okay, Mama. This is just your baby. What are you doing? Sticking her little mousey somewhere. These are pretty fun. They've got feather tails and little rattles inside. It's pretty fun. Must be carried away. And a few people have asked if we need anything. The one thing we could use is some World's Best cat litter, which you can order from our local pet store called Waldo and Tubbs. The website's just waldoandtubbs.ca, or it's if you go to tinykittens.com/help. All the information is there. The good thing about that is that you're supporting a local business, and there's no shipping cost and no no shipping delay either. So, but you do have to call, so you can't just buy it online, unfortunately. Although you probably have to pay. Well, I don't know. Okay. You can also get it on our Amazon wish list, but the shipping I think gets pretty expensive. So that's the only thing that we need, though. Otherwise we're very well stocked, thanks to all of you. But with the with Tigger / Garfield, I had to use some for him, and having to keep these two separated. We go through a lot more that way. Give it, Mama. Mama, right there. This star will always remind me of Firefly. It is the same star. It has been washed many times though. All right. Let's see. I'm going to step out and see how they do. We don't want Tango nursing. The reason they were separated in the first place was because we didn't want Tango nursing on Calypso because of the colostrum. We didn't want Tango to get the colostrum that the little babies will need. And then we kept them separate because Tango had a fever, and just in case she had a virus of any sort, we didn't want that to possibly be spread to Calypso or babies. Oh. Uh-oh. That's your baby, Mama. It's okay. It's just your baby. But Callie's keeping Tango at a distance. Okay, Mama. That's just your baby. She just wanted to chase birds. She just wanted to chase birds. Oh, that's not helpful, Bunny. Okay, Mama. If she gets agitated, then I will take her out. But how about this? How about this? We'll do this window for Tango. There, everybody gets their own windowsill. How about that? There, see everybody. Everybody wins. Everybody wins. Cute. All right, now I'm gonna go. We'll see how it goes. If Mama appears stressed, or if she starts to go into labor, I will put Tango out. But I think it's nice for her to have a little time in here. She has uninterrupted access to food, as opposed to meal times, which she has to have on the outside. If if she doesn't want to be alone. Because I can't have her food out with my cats around her. Gone. So we'll just see. We'll see how it goes. Callie doesn't seem too bothered. Look at those ears. They're so big. You have such big ears, Mommy. And Tango's not bothered at all. She's like, hey, Mom, why are you growling at me? Why did you find a little bug? All right. I'll be back. What you doing, Bunny? Hello. Hello, T. Alright, I'm gonna put this kind of tiny kittens each time, so I may be able to get a bit more room. Hopefully you can sort of read that. Hi. Oh, big crowd. I know. Y'all know that ain't full of beans. She does seem like itchy today, though. That's good. That's good. Okay, Mom.